Now we'll write code for this OR divider. So we'll come up here, close all, and here inside the widget common, then widget folder, we will add a new and name it OR divider.dart. And here we will go with a stateless widget and name it OR divider. And here we'll return a row. Children expanded, comma, padding. Here it's going to be edge insets dot symmetric, and it's going to be horizontal 2.w, and again the same expanded thing. So in expanded we have our child divider, color is going to be gray, and inside the padding stuff we do need to introduce sizer and colors. And inside this padding thing we do need to introduce child, and it's going to be text, and it is all. Let's go with the style. It's going to be app text style 12 dot copy with color. It's going to be gray. We will introduce commas here. Okay, now it's time we copy this expanded widget, and after this padding we will introduce it again. So now let's head over to login screen. We have this nice elevated button, and now it's time that we implement after this elevated button, like whatever is there after this elevated button. So I mean this section, or this buttons, then all, and this part. So let's introduce comma, let's save it, and size box height is going to be 2.h, and here I will introduce const or divider and then we will go with a list view builder. List view dot builder context index item count. Here it's going to be login button data dot length shrink wrap true, and physics it's going to be const never scrollable scroll physics. Let's save those things, and now it's time we return something in the item builder. So we'll come up here in the item builder and return a container. Return container. Height it's going to be 6.h, width it's going to be 94.w, and then decoration it's going to be box decoration border radius dot circular 8.sp. Now we do need to introduce the color. Color is going to be gray shade 3. Let's save it, and here we do need to introduce child row children. We have to add main axis alignment dot center, and now we have to add children here. So it's going to be login button data of index of 0, and next it's going to be size box width 2.w, and next comes up text. It says continue with login button data of index of 1. Now we do need to introduce styling. Let's have a look how it looks like. Okay, so here we do have those buttons, but we can't see any kind of space in between them, so we do need to introduce margin here. Margin is going to be edge insets dot symmetric vertical 0.5 dot h, and let's save it. And yeah, it looks good now. So again, we do need to go with this two widget, that is size box and or divider, and after this list view we do need to add them again. And yeah, it looks good now. So the next thing, we have to go with find my account, then this text. So let's go with size box height 4.h, and then row children icons dot search comma color is going to be black, then go with text find my account, style it's going to be app text style dot body 14. Now let's save it. Now we will introduce a little bit of space. Size box height 3.h. We will go with text, and this text is basically this one. By proceeding your consent to get calls, WhatsApp or SMS message, including by automated means from Uber and its affiliates to the number provided. So that's text. So I'm simply going to copy this entire stuff. I will copy this. As you can see, here is the entire sentence. You can just copy it from here also. So I'll head over here, paste it down. Style it's going to be app text style dot small 10 dot copy with color gray. Let's have a look. Okay, it looks good now. So the last thing which we do need to implement is this one. This side is protected by reCAPTCHA and other stuff, so we do need to implement that. So I will go with size box, and let's go for height of 15.h. I think so 15 is gonna be a good number. Rich text text span children, text span text, and here we will come up here again, copy this, style it's going to be app text style dot body, oh sorry, small10 dot copy with color gray. Let's save it. Okay, we will simply copy this text span, paste it for multiple times. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll paste it 4 times, 1 2 3 and 4. So here in the second it's going to be privacy policy, and here we have decoration, text decoration dot underline, and here it's going to be and then here it's going to be terms of service. Here we will need to copy this underline thing and paste up here, and at last we do have apply. Okay, let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, before this privacy we do need to introduce a little bit of space. Let's save it, and reCAPTCHA by Google, and here we have introduced spacing, privacy policy terms, and okay, it's good now.